All right. Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy. Oh, yeah, right there. Yes, it is your boy, Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. All right, family. Obviously, I'm not good at playing games or good at cards, hiding my hand, of any of that stuff because I totally failed on my last video. And by failed, I mean y'all almost all of you got it right when you guessed what items I would give away. Obviously, I talk too much. All right, fam. Y'all were right. The items that I gave away and I took them to Goodwill. I had footage of that, but I was recording it somehow in 8K, and 8K doesn't exist yet, so I lost that footage. But anyway, I still have my Hamilton Beach. I still have my George Foreman. I still have the George Foreman Lean Mean, and I have the Proctor Silas Mini little sausage maker. And I'm afraid that even a couple of y'all asked me to keep the sandwich maker. She had to go. The sandwich maker does not fit in what we do here, this and that. The reason is I have that little foldable sandwich maker that it's just and I'll drop a picture of it right here. But I have that sandwich maker that you simply fold together, put your bread in, your meats or whatever, cheeses, put it over the fire, flip it a couple of times, and you have perfect toast, perfect grilled cheese sandwiches. So I really don't need, and I also have a method where I toast and make sandwiches in the air fryer. So once again, another job gone. Thank you, Mr. Air Fryer. All right, family. Now, this video, one of my viewers, when they saw or heard that I mentioned some of my utensils had lost its no-stick qualities, and you could see the scarring and that some of the material was missing. They suggested, and I'll put their name right here or in the comment section below. I like to give shout outs what shout outs are due. They suggested that I get that grill matting from one of the dollar stores, one of those box stores, wherever. I happen to have some already folded up in my cabinet over here to the side. Been in there for a couple of years. So we're gonna take that. And they suggested that you cut it to fit. Put it over whatever surface that has been compromised, so to speak, and it works flawlessly, they said. So what we're going to do today is take Mr. Hamilton Beach. We're going to cut this to size. We're going to drop it down in here. We're going to plug up the Hamilton Beach and see if that holds true, if it works in this type of unit. Since we have the grates here, I'm not sure how the heat's going to transfer, but I do like the concept, and I believe that also might work in the air fryer to help protect it, so we don't have that stuck on residue from when we're cooking. So without further ado, this is going to be a short down and dirty one. Let's go ahead and cut this thing to size. Let's go ahead and put some heat to it and see if it'll transfer through this, and we may have a worldwide solution to a worldwide problem. All right, family, I'll be right back. All right, fam. I'm gonna drop a clip in here of me cutting that matting, and my matting cutting skills probably equal or exceed my skills to keep a poker face, as you will. Because like I said earlier, almost everybody got it completely right, and if you didn't get it completely right, you got it partially right as to what units I expressed that I did not care for. the sandwich maker, and the George Foreman. The George Foreman, I did love it, but it was too bulky. And the air fryer basically does everything, if not more than it does. It has a basket, it has a rotisserie feature, and it's convenient. It's right there in the house, easy to store. I can use it, Lady Red can use it. It's a win-win. All right, family, real quick, so we can keep this video down and dirty. Let's drop a piece of cheese on here. And I'm not even sure I'm gonna close the top. I just want to see if it gets hot through this paper. You know, it's working. Wow. That's, family, that's why I love what we do here at This and That. That's why, let me change. Let me let y'all get both sides. I'm not sure how the sun affects you. I think you got to keep it in front of you. But I want y'all to get both sides of this beautiful face. I'm shaved, showered, ready to go. By the time y'all see this video, I will be coming back from the Dallas State Fair. That's where me, Lady Red, her sister, brother-in-law, we're headed to Dallas, to the Dallas State Fair. Our first time going to a state fair. We want to get fried Snickers, fried bananas, fried everything. Whoo! Anyway, family, back to the video at hand. That's why I love what we do here at This and That. We share ideas. We come up with new creative ways to fix old problems. Look at that, family. Look. Working like a charm. So I don't have to worry about the non-stick. And check that. That is non-stick. Family. Family. Let me let you get that from every angle. Get my shadow out of the way. Hey, Fitz. Hey, buddy. You came to tell your people hi. You smell cheese, buddy. It's no food. It's just cheese. Hey, buddy. What's up? Tell your people hi. I'm glad you came to the rescue. You saved Daddy from that cooker. You smell something cooking. You came to save Daddy. Look at you. Such an attack dog. Such a perfect specimen. Somebody been in your yard, buddy? All right, family. Y'all got the best of both worlds. Y'all got three. Let me unplug this thing real quick. And what setting is that on? That's on the lowest setting, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, family, let me cut this thing off. Unplug it there real quick. Booyah. All right, family, y'all got a triple. You got the question answered as to what components I was getting rid of to downsize, and I'm not done yet. I got about 2 more components that may not be involved in this particular video, but I got about 2 more components I want to get rid of, and one of them is going to surprise you. And we got to learn a hack. Take the grill cover, grill paper, non-stick grill paper that you can get for a few bucks from dollar store. I don't know if the Dollar Tree has it or not, but from your big box stores. Put that on your non-stick surface, make it a stick surface. Now I want to try one in a frying pan. I want to try it in the air fryer. I'm game. I'm pumped. All right, family, we're going, and the third thing y'all got to see. Y'all got to see your boy Fitzgerald. Fitzy, tell your folks bye. All right, family, y'all know what to do. We've had enough fun for this particular video. They're going to be coming at you kind of hard and heavy now. It's beginning to be the holiday seasons. We got to do the Big Easy. We got to do some Hot Logic. We got to do some Hamilton Beach. We got to do a lot of stuff between now and Christmas, y'all. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all take care. Have a great day, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.